This is lesson 73, number 13, and it says convert each measure from radians to degrees. Okay, there is a unit multiplier that you can use. Does anyone remember what the unit multiplier is? You're going to multiply this thing by something over something. Okay. To help you remember, I'm going to kind of give you where the unit multiplier came from instead of just telling you what it is. So this is our unit circle. Remember our unit circle that we always get out and look at? How many degrees, if I start here and go around the circle, how many degrees is that?
360.
Yeah, 360. Does anyone happen to remember how many radians it is all the way around the whole thing? No, maybe we should look at. Huh? Yeah, how many radians does it say?
It's 0.
It also says 2, it should say 2 pi also. Doesn't say 2 pi anywhere? Oh, okay, well let's just say halfway around then. Halfway around the unit circle is 180 degrees, right? So halfway around the unit circle is also pi, isn't it? And we're supposed to know 360 and 2 pi. 360, that would actually be 2 pi. If halfway is pi, that would be 2 pi. So let's use the 180 and the pi, because I like that better. So if you will agree with me that 180 degrees and pi are the same measure, they're both a half circle, then we can go right here and we can say 180 over pi. Why am I allowed to multiply this poor little number by 180 over pi? Because 180 over pi is, well, it's kind of like when you multiply, you say 60 minutes is 1 hour. You know how you do that thing, you cross stuff out and you do the dimensional analysis on it? That's what you're doing right here, okay? Just cross, so now you're going to cross out the pi's, because like pi divided by pi is 1. And then, if this were my problem, I would probably split the 6 and the 4. I would just reduce it a little bit. So like half of 6 is 3 and half of 4 is 2. And then I'd look around and see if there's anything else I can do. The 2 goes into the 180. So now that's 90. And then I can actually, I don't have to use my calculator now, because all I got left is a 3 and a 90. 9 times 3 is that's 270 degrees. Okay, so that is kind of how you're supposed to turn radians into degrees. You multiply by 180 over pi, but if you had degrees and you wanted to go to radians, you'd flip the second, you'd go pi over 180 to make that happen. And that's because they're an equal measure, they're both a half circle.